so today we're going to be playing with this slime. Yeah. God dang, it hurt. I also have this little slime that I borrowed from my cousin, and and I also borrowed this slime from my cousin because I don't have much time. Sorry about the background noise. Okay, y'all, sorry about the background noises, but yeah, I'm going to be playing with this big slime.
Where?
Yes.
That's right there then, right?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
It's really pretty. Actually, kind of not. It's kind of like I've never liked this color. It looks real pretty, like in the video. Like, that's not pretty in real life. Yeah. Okay, anyway. So, yeah. But I think I like it. Kind of cold, to be honest. It's really cold. This video will probably be getting done posted tomorrow, maybe, because I need to edit it. Bruh. Oh my god, that's really pretty, y'all. Can you see that? Because that's beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's pretty. This is real pretty. So yeah, but it also has these sparkles in the bottom, but I don't want to take this slime out, but I guess I can choose if I want all the slime technically. Oh my god, that just came out in one chunk, y'all. Look at this. Oh my god. It's so sparkly. No. Put that chunk back in there. But anyway, this video might not be that long because I really have nothing to do. I just got bored, so I wanted to do a video. Oh my god, and our elf today, when we woke up, you know what, I'll do a separate video from this video, telling you what our elf did, and everything, so yeah, like showing you and everything, just, that's a whole different video though. So I'll tell you in that video, which is going to be right after this video, when I have to edit both videos. Maybe I could edit them together.
Hey, Mommy.
Bye, y'all. That's it.